Today we're making delicious Mediterranean chicken meatballs and a Greek salad.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and Aside. My sister Laura and I are here to help you make restaurant-worthy dinners that you won't believe you made at home. We cook in our separate kitchens, but we eat like we're at the same table. Today we're headed to the Mediterranean. I'm making juicy chicken meatballs with sun-dried tomatoes and feta.
And I'm bringing the freshness with a classic Greek salad and some creamy tzatziki. This one's herby, tangy, and don't worry, there's plenty of feta to go around.
All right, let's get into these meatballs. I've got some ground chicken in my bowl, and to that I'm going to add an egg, breadcrumbs, crumbled feta, garlic, oregano, cumin, salt and pepper, and then some of my favorite add-ins like red onion, parsley, and sun-dried tomatoes. I can't make chicken meatballs any other way now. Just wait until you try them. All those extra ingredients that we just added, that's where the magic happens, especially the sun-dried tomatoes. They just add so much flavor to these meatballs. My best tip is not to overmix, or you're gonna end up with tough meatballs. So I'm shaping these into little guys today, about golf ball size. We want them to cook fast and stay nice and tender. One of the best ways to make sure that all of your meatballs come out the same size is to use a cookie scoop. I know it's summer and it's hot outside, so if you don't want to heat up your kitchen by turning on the oven, you can cook these in the air fryer. It's actually way faster too. You can air fry these for about 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, I'm gonna cook these in the oven. They're gonna cook at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. You can also cook it on the stovetop, but it's kind of messy and it's a little time consuming. So you choose the method that you like and just go for it.
Your kitchen's gonna smell amazing. While Angie's on meatball duty over there, I'm gonna get started on the tzatziki. Let me just grab the ingredients. Now for the salad. I love a Greek salad, especially with the freshest veggies. We've got green peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, some sliced red onions, and some chopped Kalamata olives. Now for the salad. I love a Greek salad, especially with the freshest veggies. This is great if you're doing a garden outside and you can use most of the veggies from your garden. So we've got green bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, sliced red onions, I like to make them nice and thin, and some sliced Kalamata olives. Of course, we're also gonna add some feta, and for that I like to use a chunk of feta. This is how they would do it in Greece. Instead of crumbled up feta, you can use a block of feta. Comes like this. You can cut it into squares so that it matches the size of the rest of your veggies. For the Kalamata olives, I really recommend the Mezzetta brand. These are just tastier than a lot of the other brands that I've tried, so this is my favorite. All right, let's get this mixed up. Once you've got the veggies all chopped up, this is gonna be super simple. We're just going to grab our bowl and push them all in. Everything all at once. Starting to look really good, but let's not forget that cubed feta. It's just a lot more authentic like this and super tasty. Let's go ahead and get those in there. Speaking of authentic and tasty, we hope you have enjoyed our channel so far. We love bringing you the best dinner ideas that you can make at home. It would help us out a lot if you would like this video and consider subscribing for more great dinner ideas. Now, Angie, how are those meatballs coming?
These are nice and golden and cooked through without becoming dry. Don't these look great? I love how bright and colorful they are with the parsley and tomatoes. I'm gonna get these guys out of the pan because I think we're about ready to plate up. By the way, in case you missed something or you wanna see all of the ingredients, the full recipe is listed down below in the description.
All right, just have one more step and that's the dressing. A Greek salad generally has a really light kind of vinaigrette dressing. So you can use store-bought if you want, make it easy, or I'm gonna make up my own and I just have olive oil, vinegar, Dijon, oregano, and a little bit of salt. Put those all in your jar and shake them up. I love the little jar because if you don't use all of this dressing, you can just put it in the fridge and use it later. And we probably won't use all of this dressing for the salad. You can dress it as much as you like. So pour some of that on. Yum. All right, I'm gonna give it a little toss to get it all mixed up. This looks so great and it smells amazing. All right, that's perfect. Now let's give it a little taste. Just make sure we got the seasoning right. It's perfect. Angie, I think we're ready to plate up.
This crunchy Greek salad is the perfect sidekick for these juicy golden meatballs. This meal is totally addictive. Don't forget a huge scoop of the tzatziki and some pita on the side. Well, that's another one done in under 30 minutes. And this is a great budget meal also. It'll cost you around $5 per serving for 4 people. Can't beat those Mediterranean flavors.
If you like this recipe, give it a like and consider subscribing for more restaurant quality meals you can make at home.